Welcome to Part 5 in the CAN bus introduction series. In Part 3, we saw how to use a switch to send a message onto the bus. However, while this worked to demonstrate a simple example, the fact that it would send a message every half a second is of little use to us. What we really need is for the unit to only send a message if the state changes on the pin. We will now look at the CAN_button v2 example from the Github repository. In this sketch, the libraries and the global variables are unaltered, and also the setup for the CAN module to use the SPI on the Arduino. The first change is we need to create a global int variable for storing the previous button state. We also set the variable to high, which equates to 1, if low it would be 0. The reason for us setting it high is because we use the weak pull-up resistor built into the nano. The next change we require is in the void loop function. We add an extra if statement after the reading of the button_pin, if button state is not equal to the previous button state. If this condition is true, it can move into the next if statement, which is same as the previous version you had seen. After the else statement you will see the line, previous button state equals button state. This is important as next time around in the void loop it has reset the local variable within the function. This sketch can be used in conjunction with CAN_LED to test it works for you. In the next video we will add another button to the producer module. I am keeping the videos short to avoid having adverts during them. I also prefer this type of learning myself when trying to learn a new subject. The series has its own playlist on the channel.